Com direito a tarta e tudo. Mira isso, mano.
Caramba! Saca a foto, mano. Que bonita, tio.
Tarta e artista que a gente é verdade.
Negócio de outra, vale? Vamos contar. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test.
Ele que é lá artista, viu?
Check as I'm chess, what's happening next? You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. You got a new engine for bullets, a blessing. You focus, don't listen, just hold an obsession. I'll lose possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives.
E não se preocupe que lleva la firma del artista, viu?
Você ha vuelto a coger moto? ¿Cómo has vuelto a coger moto?
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight. Believe me, when they try the chains, you can say no, free me.